Good evening all. Let's learn about small airway disease now. So it's a pictorial representation of divisions of airways. So there are 23 generations of tracheobronchial tree. So as you can see, this first one is trachea. From trachea, here comes bronchi. So trachea is division number 1 or generation number 1, and then comes bronchi. So diameter will be, trachea is 2.5 centimeters approximately, and then comes bronchi. Bronchi caliber will be from 10 mm, ranges from 10 mm and it tapers down to 3 mm, 10 to 3 mm. 2, 3, 4 will be bronchi, and then comes bronchioles. So bronchioles will be generations from 5 up to 16. So bronchioles caliber will be 1 to 5 millimeters. From bronchioles to then comes terminal bronchioles. So terminal bronchioles generation will be number 16, and from terminal bronchioles respiratory bronchiole generation will be 17 to 19. From respiratory bronchioles alveolar ducts emanate. Alveolar ducts is 20 to 22 generation, and then comes finally alveolar air spaces. Alveolar air spaces generation will be 23. So these are the generations of respiratory tract 1 to 23. Trachea, bronchi, and then bronchioles. From terminal bronchioles it will be lobule, and from terminal bronchioles to respiratory bronchioles. From respiratory bronchioles it will be called acinus. 17 to 19 is respiratory bronchiole, 20 to 22 is alveolar ducts, and 23 is alveolar spaces. So respiratory gas exchange takes place from here. So what is the significance of the small airways? Small airways means caliber of the airways will be less than or equal to 2 millimeters, and small airway disease is a common feature of obstructive lung disease. They contribute to less than 10% to total airway resistance, but they are the predominant site of resistance in asthma and COPD. So impact of asthma and COPD on small airways will be acute on chronic inflammation, mucus hypersecretion, and airway remodeling. And what are the changes in small airways and the effects on disease management? Changes will be poor disease control, increased exacerbations due to small airways involvement, and decreased quality of life, and there is increased gas trapping in COPD patients. So this is the small video about small airways and small airway disease. So this is the pictorial representation of tracheobronchial tree from trachea up to alveolar air spaces 1 to 23. Thank you.